Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are pretty good. So, from this video lecture, we are going to start our new topic, and that one is change in seasons. So, before that, I have left you all with one question, and the question was, who stated the earth is round and rotates on its own axis? So, the answer is Aryabhat. Aryabhat stated that the earth is round and rotates on its own axis. Now, let's begin with our today's topic, change in the season or change in season. A year is usually divided into summer, winter, spring and autumn season. So, summer, winter, spring and autumn. And seasons change due to the change in the position of the earth around the sun. Now, changes in seasons can be explained by two phenomena, and the phenomena are solstice and equinox. So the meaning of solstice is sun standing still, and the meaning of equinox means equal nights. So we are going to discuss about solstice. First we are going to discuss about this solstice. So summer solstice, winter solstice, then you have two equinox, spring and autumn. So let's begin with summer solstice. First, summer solstice. Summer is a warm to hot season. The sun goes higher in the sky and stays for a long period of time. The rays of the sun are more vertical. The sun's heat is also much stronger. May, June, July and August are summer months in the north hemisphere. Then, while November, December, January and February are the summer months in the southern hemisphere. On 21st June, the sun rays fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. And this position of the earth is known as summer solstice. As it is summer in the north hemisphere, it is the longest day here. During the summer time, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. The region between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole receives sunlight 24 hours a day, and the sun never sets for a few minutes. Second, we have winter solstice. Winter is a cold season. The day hours start becoming shorter than the hours of darkness during winter. The rays of the sun reach the earth at slant. So, it is tilted away from the sun. The shadow of the objects at noon become longer and longer. November, December, January and February are the winter months for the northern hemisphere, while May, June, July and August are winter months in the southern hemisphere. The South Pole is tilted toward the sun, and the Tropic of Cancer receive the direct rays of the sun. This position of the earth is known as winter solstice, as it is winter in the north hemisphere. This falls on 22nd December. On 22nd December, the sun's rays fall vertically on the Tropic of Capricorn. The southern hemisphere has longer days and shorter nights, and 22nd December is the longest day there. The Arctic region experiences darkness for 24 hours, while places south of the Antarctic Circle experience 24 hours of daylight. Now, next we have during this period, the northern hemisphere nights are longer than day, and in this days are longer than night. Okay, now we have our next topic, and that one is equinox. So equinox, we witnesses two equinoxes in a year. First is autumn equinox and the second one is spring equinox. Autumn, it is the first day of the autumn season and occurs when the sun passes the equator, moving from northern to the southern hemisphere. So as the earth starts moving from the June position, every day the duration of the sunlight decreases in the northern hemisphere till 23rd September. When the day and nights are equal, means 24 hours each, all over the earth. This is autumnal equinox, when the sun rays are vertically overhead the equator. Equinox is derived from the Latin and means equal nights. At this time of the year, it is autumn in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. During autumn, the heat is moderate and the weather is cooler. And September and December are the autumn months for the northern hemisphere, while the southern hemisphere, they are March and April. Second, we have spring equinox. Spring, it is the day of the spring season and occurs when the sun passes the equator, moving from southern to the northern hemisphere. The position of the earth between 22nd December and 21st June is such that the overhead rays of the sun are in transition from the southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere. After December, when winter starts receding in the northern hemisphere till the earth moves to its March position, and it is spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in southern hemisphere. On 21st March, the sun shines vertically on the equator. All places once again have equal hours of days and nights. It is known as spring equinox or vernal equinox with equal length of days and night. So your autumn equinox and spring equinox, or you may say vernal equinox or autumnal equinox. So this is all about this chapter. I'll be joining you in next video lecture. You all were watching Edification Seeker, Improvement of Someone. If you like my video, then share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and yes, don't forget to hit bell icon for more videos. This side Kesha Kushwaha signing off. Take care. Bye bye.